Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Litchi popsicles using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh, ripe litchis, a small amount of sugar, and some water. This recipe is incredibly straightforward, perfect for a quick and refreshing treat. Get ready to create some delightful frozen delights with minimal effort and maximum flavor. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the sweet taste of litchis. Next, let's prepare our litchis. Carefully peel and deseed your 2 cups of fresh litchis. Once prepared, combine the litchi pulp with about 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water in a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent puree. If the mixture seems too thick, feel free to add a tiny bit more water to reach your desired consistency. This step is crucial for that perfect popsicle texture. Now it's time to get those popsicles ready for freezing. Carefully pour your smooth litchi mixture into your chosen popsicle molds, making sure to fill them almost to the very top. Don't forget to insert a popsicle stick into each mold. Then, place your filled molds into the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours or even overnight, until they are completely solid and firm. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade litchi popsicles. To easily remove them from their molds, simply run the molds under warm water for just a few seconds. This helps loosen them right up. These refreshing treats are perfect for a hot day or as a sweet snack anytime. This simple recipe typically yields about 6 to 8 delicious popsicles, ready for you and your loved ones to savor. Enjoy every cool, fruity bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.